In this problem, we have to find the number of 6-digit numbers using the digits 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I will make the 6 boxes, it will look like this. Since we have to find the number of ways in which the number is divisible by 5, so at last you have to put only 5, because if you want to divide any number with 5, the last digit should be either 5 or is equal to 0. So since we have taken all first option at the last, then for the first we are having only 5 option. Now the second one we are having 4, third one we are having 3, 2, and it will goes like 1. So the total number of ways that we will write, that is equal to 5 factorial, and that is equal to 120. Now the number is not divisible by 5, which means that we have to take again 6 digit. For that we have to take 6 boxes, and in the last box you can fill 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, but you can't fill 5, because if you are filling it 5, you will get the number that is divisible by 5. So we are having only 5 options, and in the first one we again having 5 options. Why? Because we had already chosen one option in the last, so we are having 5 options at the first, and in the second one we are having 4, then it will goes like 3, then 2, then, so the total number of ways that you will get from here, that is equal to 5 multiplied with 5 factorial, which is equal to 5 into 120. You will write this value as 600 ways. You can find the same answer with the help of second question. So if you can write like total number of ways of getting the answer, that is equal to 6 factorial, and if I will subtract it with 120, you will get the same answer. That is, if I'm writing it as 720 and here you are writing 120, you can write the value as 600 ways. So there are two options that you have. Either you can choose this one or you can choose this one.